Hi, Dad. So we are in Volcano Caldera. Further back there, if you can see a little bit, a tiny spot that used to be the museum, the lookout, that's where we stand and people go to look for like about that size of a hole right there. But then the latest eruption gave you this size. See how huge that was? Can't you tell how big the eruption was? Where all that steam right there around it, all of it. You see all just the lava rocks below. Right there, it's freezing cold in here. But it's the best view we ever got. Yes, sir. And the clearest, yes, there's a beautiful sunshine. And there's some like little steam coming up right there. There's more further back there. Further there. Alright, just want to say hi from Hawaii. This is our morning Saturday like. Aloha.